In the aftermath of those devastating tornadoes ripping across the nation, one community in Missouri was organizing a vigil for tornado victims. A twister tore through Ballinger County in southeast Missouri yesterday, leaving death and devastation in its wake. Missouri Governor Mike Parson says smaller communities just don't get as much help.
So I think we want to look and see what services we have and then what availability we have to make sure we replace these people in the replacement of where they may go, whether that's rent, whether that's utilities, how we can help.
For now, they're giving them what they have, a hymn and a prayer of comfort.